no doubt playing a hand in high attendance levels as well as an elevated level of anticipation here. Sure, is the hot ticket going around in this neck of the woods? It surely must be. This one of the great amphitheatres of the game. You are welcome to it, and indeed to one of the grandest fixtures. If you're just joining us, we are already underway. So, Jim, who would you identify as the key man in this fixture?
Of course, Manuel Neuer. He doesn't just dominate his area, Pete.
Shoots! And he's done it!
Listen, the big names earn their reputations for precisely the reason we've just seen. They have a habit of making their presence felt, and here we are, early stages. He struck one, and he looks hungry for more.
An act of charity gratefully received. Well, that has certainly made things interesting. Koke goes up and over. Owen! Oh, that's a fine save!
Well, what can I say? Truly wonderful goalkeeping.
Owen! And that'll go straight through to the keeper. Well played, he saw that coming. He's looked long this time. It's a fabulous position. Can he? Goes for goal! Oh, what a wonderful stop!
The keeper really dug out his defence then. A magnificent effort.
Van Dijk. There has been just the early goal here, and it's 1-0. Tries lifting it over. Good challenge, he just stood firm. Could be going for goal! Koke. Ronaldinho. Let down by a lack of accuracy. Messi lobs it in gently. Quadrado gets into the right position to intercept. And it's Van Basten. Messi. Hoists it forward. Werner gets his foot in there. And the counter is on. Cut out in the nick of time. Messi. Coming up to half-time, leading, and things are looking pretty good. Pirlo. And here's Owen. Koke. Werner. Now it's Messi. Gets away from his opponents. Pirlo. There is the half-time whistle. So there you have it, a close-fought half of football, but one that still had its moments, but ultimately produced just one goal. A more than decent game up to now.
Well, this team has found a real rhythm to their game. The players seem to have clicked well. There's good movement off the ball. The passes are sticking. No one's afraid to have a go.
Leading 1-0 at the break. And we're off again.
Well, 1-0 may be good enough, so they may err on the side of caution and get more players behind the ball instead of running beyond it. They could even try to spoil it from here, we'll see.
And it's Forlan. Has he picked him out? This is promising. Shapes to shoot! Vieira. Vieira plays it forward. And it's played forward. Cristiano Ronaldo. Room for a shot. It's Cristiano Ronaldo! And that would have been some goal.
Cristiano Ronaldo and really shows some outlandish skills, which is always welcome and obviously refreshing.
Messi, he's got away. He's gone for it! Back of the net! Finishing doesn't come simpler than that. Bang in front of goal.
Well, considering he has a bit of a shoot-on-sight policy, he was the one player that should have been picked up then. It was both careless and costly from where I'm sitting.
And that is a big chance! He's scored! And they've got their lead back. He does it all with an air of efficiency and simplicity.
Well, was there ever any doubt? It made it look like he's done it over and over and over again, and he has.
Both sides then taking this chance to turn to their benches. So we have a breakthrough. Now how will things develop from here? Deftly done. Well positioned to make that interception. And no, that is pretty much the end of that. I think that's offside. Yes, it is. Quadrado. And here's Forlan. And the assistant referee has his flag raised for offside. Sergio Ramos. Sergio Ramos. Van Dijk. Forward it goes. Vieira. Ronaldo looking to get on the end of this. Oh, shooting chance! He's pulled off a fine save.
Oh, that's a sparkling save. Absolutely sparkling. His reflexes were ultra sharp.
Heads it! Goes. And with that goal comes comfort. Great corner, and he did the rest.
Well, look, it's often the timing of the jump that dictates what you can do with any header, and if you get it slightly wrong, then you'll struggle, but that was beautifully met, it really was.
Well, that has changed the dynamic somewhat. And they've got it back as soon as they gave it away. Pirlo looks to thread it through, clears it out of harm's way. Needless to say, he was expecting a better ball than that. It's a loose ball. Fernando Torres. Now it's Torres. Gets up to head it! Harmlessly behind. De Ligt gets it away. Tries to get it forward quickly. Now it's Van Basten. Now it's Torres. Neuer deals with it effortlessly. Plenty of appeals, but the referee is not interested. Across the field it goes. Referee looks at his watch and blows his whistle. A decent win via a very competent performance. Without doubt they were the better side, and the result reflects as much. Well, what are your thoughts on today's game then, Jim?
Yeah, they had a game plan which was about hammering away in central positions, and it paid off. For me, they were persistent and ruthless.
Well, thanks to Jim. We both wish you a very good evening.